Come on, Hank. Hank. Hey. Come on. Come on, Hank. Go. Come on, Hank. Hey, Molly. Molly.
Yeah.
Can you call Hank? Come on, Hank. Get up.
You gotta like push his butt.
Alright, we're doing something a little bit different today. Actually a change of pace. I'm going to be pulling a 53-foot drive-in actually for the first time. I've been trucking, I've been doing this for like 10 years and I never pulled a 53-foot drive-in. So we're going down here, we're on Route 15 in Jersey. And we're going to go pick it up. And we're going to see how it goes. This is something brand new for me. I'm actually a little bit nervous. Here we go. Hooked up to the drive-in. That's my brother right in front of us. He's been to this place that we're going a few times. This is my first, so following him up there. It's something new, you know. I'm nervous as hell. I shouldn't be because I've been driving a truck for 10 years, but I'm really nervous. Because I've had like a cakewalk the whole time I've been driving the truck. Just going back and forth to the same places over and over again. So now I'm finally going somewhere new with something different. So I'm just a little bit nervous. This is pretty tight. We got it. Telling me to go to a different channel. You make it?
Yeah, I've been trying. I text you that in the yard. I'm yelling to you, nobody's answering.
207 right now. We're hauling recycled tires right now. We're heading down to LiQWYD, New Jersey. It's definitely a change of pace for me. It's a lot more traffic and congestion and stuff. That's been okay so far. I've been cut off like 6 times now.
What this guy's doing, he's got his left turn signal on, a fucking work light that's blinding back there. Told you, man, them fucking guys, they work, these fucking guys. The guys that drive the box truck.
So my brother up there ahead of us, he has an international, I don't even know the number, 9900, 9400. It's not the rounded off one, you know, it's like the square looking model. 2007 Caterpillar C15. It's an 07, I think it has an 06 motor. It doesn't have all that emissions shit bolted onto it. It's pretty much the same as the engine I have. Just a little clarification on the first thing I showed at the beginning of the video with my dog in the bathroom. This happens every single morning. So I'll wake up in the morning, I'll go right into the bathroom, I'll do what I have to do, I'll get changed, and I leave my underwear on the floor because he started doing this a long time ago and it just turned into an everyday thing. I leave my underwear on the floor and he comes in, he's waiting outside of the bathroom door, and he comes in, he grabs the underwear and he parades around the house with it. He shows it off, he's all proud of himself. He does that every single day. So it's just like a thing now. I leave it on the floor for him just so he could go grab it and be proud of himself. So that's just a little explanation for the beginning of the last couple videos. He waits outside of the door just so he could go in there and grab my underwear and go show everybody and show off. Little Paulie, he's a good boy. And the bigger one, his name is Hank. He usually comes in the bathroom with me and hangs out with me the whole time. They all have people names, and another thing is their names ended up being like my childhood neighbors, like at my parents' house. So Hank isn't named after anyone, so his name is Hank. He's the bigger dog. Smaller one is Paul. He was my neighbor growing up. And then we have some cats. One of their names is Jean, which was another neighbor. Nancy, which is actually a boy. And Elmo, which was a guy's nickname that lived across the street. huge yacht. Holy shit. I don't think we're gonna need this piece of wood. We'll see. Jeez. So we're gonna back under the empty. Open the window a little bit. Make sure we hook up. Oh boy, that's dropped really low. Holy shit! I gotta raise that up. I gotta raise that up a little bit. Yo, I gotta raise this one up.
What?
My tires are fucking hitting it.
Who's gonna? Oh, you will?
Well, yeah, if
Yeah, 'cause I don't think these fucking guys will help you.
well, if the landing gear's decent, I should be able to get it.
This one has 2 stupid singles in it.
What?
Yeah, they don't take truck tires here.
Oh, fuck.
Only cars.
All right, I don't know if I'm going up or down.
You got it, or?
I just got to make sure I know which way is going up or down on these f***ing things. I think it's going up. That should be good. This is gonna last. This might just be a one-day thing doing this. I really don't know, because this is still within that company that I hauled the demo for. So I don't know if this is gonna be a regular thing that they're gonna offer us, or if it's just a one-day thing or what. But I wouldn't mind doing this. I think I like this better than going to the landfill. That landfill really beats the shit out of your truck. You know, this is, you're staying on, it's mostly highway. You're just on the road the whole time, not on dirt, muddy ass roads and shit.